we meet again in character building subject. Now we have the new topic. What the new topic about the respect? What the meaning about the respect? Respect is defined as to feel, to show esteem or honor to someone or to something. Okay, student, I want to show to you about the chart of the respect. Let's see this one. Okay, if you give your respect, you get the respect. When you get the respect, because you give the respect also. Okay, student, I want to show also to you about the example of the respect. Let's see this. Okay, when your friends talk in the front of the class, you listen, see, focus and silent, or more paying attention to your friend. Okay, and then you give your interaction. After you give your interaction, so you give your respect. This one. Okay, after you give your respect, and then you get the respect also. Okay, student, I want to share to WhatsApp group about my PowerPoint about the respect. Okay, now student, I want to make to you about the project. Make diary of the respect. Let's see how to make it. So, this one, we have the paper, A4 paper, I mean a paper paper. Okay, you take 4 papers like this. Okay, now you put it like this. Okay, you fold like this. Okay, like this. Okay, now you staple like this. Okay, you make in here about diary of the respect. Let's see. This is the cover. This is the cover about the respect. Okay, this is the cover diary about the respect. This is the first page. Okay, the first page, the second page, the third page, the fourth page, the fifth page, and then the sixth page, and then the last page. Okay, how to make fill the every page like this. Okay, in front you write day or date. Okay, minimals you write 4 or lines, 4 or 5 lines every page about respect to the others. Okay? For example, when your teacher explain something or subject in front of the class, you listen, focus, see silent, or more pay attention, you give your respect. So this one you respect, maybe you make for the 1 page, or maybe you make the other story about your respect at home, you make until 7 days. Okay, you make like this also. The first one like this in the cover. This one for papers become 7 days. Okay, 7 days. This is the 1 page. Every 1 page you write date. Okay, and then the start you make 21 first this month. Okay, 21st September until 7 days. Okay, and then I want to share to you about my PowerPoint also, so you can see there how to make the clearly about the project. Okay, thank you student for today. Bye bye.